Hello everyone. So welcome back to my channel. Today we'll learn how to get the YouTube playlist with it completely customized one. Okay, for example, see, this is one of my client's website wherein like what I have did is I've displayed the particular podcast videos only on my on his website. Okay, so for that what I did is like you have to simply go to site. Okay, and okay, let it load. So what we have to do is like we simply have to add one plugin. The plugin name is this one, embed plus for YouTube gallery live stream lazy loading with package. Okay, so what this plugin does is overall it will allow you to embed the YouTube into gallery. Okay, so once you install this one you simply have to go to the page. I'll have to go to the pages, and wherever you want to embed this YouTube, right, into as a gallery or playlist, you just go to that page and click on editor and a page. I mean, this will allow you to edit the whatever editor you have. It can be what is that, Elementor, it can be Gutenberg, it can be block editor, whatever it is. You can just simply use the same editor. There is no specific thing to be done. Okay, now what I did is like I have the Elementor. I just click on edit with Elementor. I'll just click on leave, and it will land on the Elementor editor. Okay, if you don't know Elementor, what is Elementor or the editor, just ping me in the comment box. I'll create one more video on that particular uh, subject or the topic. And we have multiple things to be done on this site. So where and when if you have any questions or any topic to be covered, just ping me on the comment box. I'll just create a video on that particular one. Okay, so as of now, let this screen. Okay, now it is loaded. Now I'm into the Elementor editor. So this is first section, second section, and these data carousel type I've added, and just go to the wherever we need, right, there you have to go. And simply I'll just show you because I've added once, but still like I'll just show it for you once how to add manually. Okay, just create one section. This is container creator. Okay, now what you have to do is just click on the plus icon, which will allow you to add any sort of editor or image or table, button, accordion, whatever it is. You just allow you to add these things, the plus icon. Now what you have to do is simply drag and drop this text editor, which is this one. Just drag and drop in the container. Boom, you got the container. Now you have, what you have to do is like you just remove this content. Now if you can see, there is one button called YouTube. So this is from the plugin that we have added. So what we have to do is like just click on the YouTube, and which allow you to select the options. Okay, now what you have to embed is playlist. So you have option of select embedding channel as well, but what we have to embed now, playlist, right? Just click on the playlist. Now one thing you have to do is like before this one, you one thing you will have to confirm that like you have to connect this your YouTube to this application, right? So for that what you have to do is like you just have to get the API. So to get the API, I'll give you one link of Google to get the API in my description. So from there you can get the API, and once you get the API I'll show you that as well. I'll just go to dashboard, and I'll click on this embed plus one. So simply you get the option over here. Okay, API key. So here you will get API key. So there you have to add in. Once you add it and save it, it will automatically connect with your YouTube. So next step is this one. Once after that, now what you have to do is like you simply go to your YouTube. my bad. Okay, youtube.com. Search for the channel whichever you want. For me, like, it is marketing money. So I'll just go to the channel marketing money Kannada. This is my one of my clients. So what I'll do is, okay, I'll just check this one. Go to playlist. Okay, so we have playlist of podcast, right? I'll just click on it and just close this up. Okay, now what we have to do is, like, just copy this URL. Okay, and then go to here, this one, just paste it here. Okay, what it does is it get the playlist. See, we got the playlist. If you want to show it in a gallery manner, or maybe, like, once the main video will be shown, and the below that, like, there will be thumbnails, right? So for that you need to copy this URL. Okay, else if just want to display, like, only one video, you just need to show this one. Okay, so what you have to do is you just copy this one. I'll try to show you both of them. Okay, I'll show you. What I'll do is, like, I'll just do one thing. I'll just open a notepad. Okay, and save it one. The other one will be, okay, what I did is, okay, first let's paste this one. Okay, now this, in this editor mode, you will get to see only the code. Okay, once you publish it, you get to see the updated output. Okay, which I'll show it to you now. Visit site. If we can scroll to the bottom where we have added, see, it's just one video that we are looking into it. Now if you want to copy the, gallery mode, you just have to do the, again, just click on it, this playlist, copy this and fetch this as a playlist. Just copy this gallery one, insert gallery. Doesn't work because sometimes it doesn't work. What I'll do is, like, I'll just paste this, the second one as well. Now publish it. Now go to the output and refresh. See what you got now? You got the playlist. Okay, so like this you can show your playlist as a gallery. And here we have one button also, which is subscription button, subscribe button. So that settings you can do it from the dashboard, which is here. Defaults, here we have some settings, and in the gallery option as well we have some settings, how many videos has to be shown, and how many columns, which is like 1 2 3, how many videos has to shown in one row, and the size. This is to show videos in a stack manner in mobile, which means, like, if this won't be selected, what it does is, like, it will show the videos in a row manner itself. If you select this one, this will be shown as one by one in the mobile. So that's a difference. And pagination, you have all the stuff you have. Now this is the checkbox where you can show this subscription button like this. Okay, where once you click on it, where it will go, what was the channel name, that, and the text of the button, that you will get to see here and update like this. Just you have to click on save, nothing else, boom, you get the updated output over here, right? So feel free to ask me any questions if you have, or any topic that need to be covered, just ping me in the comment box. I'll create a video on it. Thank you.